One day I was doing some schoolwork and I got an email from my father saying, I saw this thing about mainframe competition in a forum. Why don't you participate? And I thought, yeah, why not? Before the competition, I had no experience with the mainframe, no previous experience with ZOS or any other mainframe operating system.
O concurso ele me proporcionou uma
The contest gave me a perspective that I can also apply all my knowledge acquired in school in the mainframe environment.
também no ambiente mainframe.
O que eu mais gostei.
What I liked best about the contest were the challenges related to ZOS and Linux, which is an operating system that I didn't have much experience with.
Sistema operacional que eu não tenho muito contato.
Nós temos demandas de mercado.
We have market demands seeking professionals who work with mainframe and who work with COBOL and related languages.
E
And because of these demands, Master the Mainframe is very important to
é
us.
bastante importante para nós.
One thing that we consider very important and that we're trying to do is to get more women to come to the area of computing.
Então nós
We believe that Master the Mainframe can help us in our objective to attract more women into our careers, to our courses, and careers into information technology.
I went into the Master the Mainframe competition in 2010 and went into it just to learn, really. I just wanted to see how the mainframe was and to see if it was a cool career choice. And as I was advancing in the challenges, that's when I was sure that this is what I wanted to do and pursue as a career.
Having won the contest adds a lot to your resume. All of the companies working with mainframe are familiar with the mainframe contest. Being able to state that you were the winner surely helps a lot during the employee selection process.
For me, the best part of the Master the Mainframe here at the school is the realization that the students become involved with this mainframe topic.
Antes da participação,
Before participating, I'd never considered the possibility of working with mainframes. But now I even see the possibility of making it a career.
e até a possibilidade em seguir carreira.
hardware
This is a hardware that doesn't disconnect, that always gives you availability and scalability. It tells you when it's in trouble, and it will never stop. Mainframe conveys confidence.